Hello everyone, I am Shivan Raj, HR Manager at Zytsoft Solutions Private Limited, based in Chennai, India, where I've had the privilege of working with Zytsoft for the past 8.5 years. It's a pleasure to have you all join us today for the webinar. And I'm passionate about helping candidates and employees alike to navigate the complexities of hiring and finding the right match that fosters growth and success of the company. Zytsoft is a software development and staff augmentation company. We focus on helping companies to find and hire best talent that can truly bring out the company's vision to life. Our mission is to streamline the hiring process, especially in today's world where remote hiring allows you to tap into a global talent pool. That's why we specialize in providing seamless access to pre-vetted full-time remote software developers within just 2 weeks. Whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, we ensure you to find the right talent efficiently. Today, we're focusing on key topic that affects many job seekers, creating ATS-friendly resume. This is essential in today's hiring landscape, where many companies utilize applicant tracking systems to streamline their candidate evaluation. We are delighted to introduce our guest speaker, Ms. Shiny, a talent acquisition professional with over 6 years of experience in IT recruitment. Shiny excels in identifying candidates who not only possess required uh, technical skills but also excels in good communication skills. She'll be sharing the invaluable insights how to create a resume that stands out in ATS. Without further ado, let's welcome Ms. Shiny. Shiny, you can go ahead and proceed with the today's topic.
Thank you, Shivan, for the warm introduction and for setting up this important session. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we'll be discussing a vital tool in modern recruitment, the application tracking system or ATS. So, by this end of session, you'll have a clear understanding of what an ATS is, how it works, and how you can optimize your resume to pass through these systems effectively. So, let's get into the topic. Let me share my screen. What is applicant tracking system? An applicant tracking system is actually a software used by the organizations to manage their hiring process. So the main goal of an ATS is to make the hiring process easier by automating and organizing everything. Basically, it scans resumes and sorts them to find the best matches for a job. So when you submit an application online, the ATS scans your resume and extracts the informations like skills, job titles, and educational background. So essentially, it's a computerized system that matches job applicants with the job openings. Companies and recruiters use ATS to streamline their hiring process. How does ATS work? ATS will scan your resume for relevant keywords, skills, and other criteria that match what the hiring company is looking for. So the system assigns a score based on how well your resume aligns with the job posting. Higher score means a better match, making your resume more likely to be seen by the recruiter. So I'll explain each stage of the process in detail. Collection of application. So employers create and post job listing on various platforms. Candidates submit their application through these platforms or directly into the ATS. Second one is viewing of application. ATS parses submitted resumes and application to extract key information such as the contact details, job details, skills, education, and employment history. And the third one is keyword-based filtration. One of the core features of ATS is keyword-based filtering. The recruiter defines a job requirement. So these requirements are translated into keywords and phrases that will be used for filtering. ATS software scans and it parses the resumes submitted by the applicants. So it extracts the relevant information such as the work experience, education, skills, and other details. So the ATS uses its algorithms to determine the presence and frequency of these keywords within the resumes. The fourth is automatic ranking of application in score scale. Resumes are scored based on how well they match the keyword. So the resumes with the highest scores are shortlisted for further review by the recruiters. These statistics demonstrate the critical role of ATS plays in modern recruitment. According to the recent survey conducted by the Select Software, 70% of large companies are using ATS. In my experience as a recruiter, every day I receive hundreds of applications for various positions. I used to spend hours going through stacks of resumes manually, and managing this volume manually was overwhelming. So, with 8 years, resumes are quickly screened for keywords and qualifications, allowing me to concentrate on the best matches rather than having to evaluate every single applicant. So, this system ensures that no qualified candidate is missed, thereby improving the overall quality of my shortlist. The ATS ranks candidates based on their fit for the role, which not only enhances the quality of our hires, but also significantly reduces the shortlisting time from hours to minutes. This streamlined process speeds up the entire hiring process and makes hiring much easier and more efficient. And ATS is a breakthrough tool for any recruiter looking to optimize their workflow and achieve better results. How to create an ATS friendly resume. Here are the 8 steps you should follow while creating the ATS friendly resume. Now let's explore the details. Avoid header, footers and columns. ATS can only read simple text and will skip over the content placed in tables, columns, headers, footers, images and charts and other graphics also. So use easy to read font. So ATS can't pass difficulty reading font. So these are the ATS friendly fonts: Arial, Calibre, Cambria, Garamond, and Georgia. Resume font size. Font size definitely matters. The best font size for an ATS friendly resume is 11 or 12 point. Resume margins. Margin should be 1 inch on all the sides. So using appropriate margin is essential for creating a clean and readable resume that is compatible with ATS. Never start with dates because ATS prioritize the job titles and keywords over dates. So it's better to list the job title first. ATS cannot read underlines and italics. Optimize your resume with keywords. So to optimize your resume for 8 years, include relevant keywords from the job description. Identify important terms mentioned frequently and add them naturally in your resume. Use both acronyms and their full forms. Example, BA or business analyst. Avoid keyword stuffing and maintain a proper grammar because the ATS may flag the resume if it detects unnatural keyword usage, so which result in the lower score. So ensure the keywords are integrated naturally. So using the right keywords in your resume makes it more ATS friendly, increasing your chances of getting noticed and hired. Keyword optimized resume. I'll show you how this resume is finely tuned for a junior web developer role. So it's packed with the exact skills and terms that the employers want to see, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc. So when crafting your resume, focusing on your primary skill demonstrates your core competencies directly to the relevant job, while mentioning your secondary skill can highlight additional strengths and versatility. So these keywords are like a magnet for the ATS system. They not only reflect your skill, but also align perfectly with what ATS system and recruiters are looking for. So it increases the chance of moving forward in the hiring process. Resume template and file type. Ensure your resume is in a compatible file format. PDFs preserve the formatting while docs files are easily parsed by ATS. So these are the templates to avoid: doc, RTF and text. File naming. Use a clear and descriptive file name followed by your name. So this is an example. Name underscore your resume. So this is the clear and descriptive file name. So avoid special characters and spaces. Here are some of the top ATS-friendly resume creator that can help you to create a professional and well-structured resume. Let's take a closer look at one of these tools. I'll show you how to create a resume using Resume Craft. So it's a free resume builder which you can also try. So for that, just go to the browser and search as Resume Craft. So just click on this. So here you can build your resume. There are n number of templates. You can use any of these simple template to create the ATS friendly resume. So I have just created a sample resume. So personal detail, you have to fill your name and your profession, and then contact details, and then summary, and then your work experience. You can add your work experience by clicking on this education, and then number of projects you can add by clicking on this, and skills. Always go with the skill which the employer is looking for and highlight those skills only. And you can give the rating also here. Say for example, for Java, self-rating you can edit here, and languages. And finally, you can download your resume here. So this is the sample output. Sorry. This is a sample resume I have created using the Resume Craft. This is how the ATS friendly resume looks like. See? Okay. Now, best ATS resume checker. ATS resume checker helps your resume pass through the automated hiring systems used by the employers. So ensuring it meets format and keyword requirement and improves your chances of landing the interviews. So now I'm going to check the score in the job scan for the resume I generated using the Resume Craft. So these are the best ATS resume checker, job scans 80, my perfect resume. I'm about to check the resume score in this job scan. So same, you can browser, you can search as a job scan resume score checker, and so this is the site actually. So here you can upload your resume. So I'm just uploading the resume. And job description. The job description, you can paste the job description over here, and you can just give the scan. So automatically it scans the resume, and this is the score I have got for the resume which I created using Resume Craft. So the score is 95%. So 95 score indicates that the resume is highly compatible with the job description and the requirement, which means it contains the relevant keywords, skills, and experience that the employer is looking for. So, so if you want to give a new scan, you can try over here. So So key takeaways, we discussed about ATS, importance of ATS, tips to create ATS-friendly resume, do's and don'ts, samples to build ATS-friendly resume, and how to evaluate your resume. So to recap, an ATS is an essential tool for modern recruitment, and optimizing your resume for ATS can significantly increase your chance of getting an interview. So remember to use simple ATS friendly formatting and relevant keywords and the correct file format. So that concludes my presentation. I hope you found the information valuable and insightful. So thank you for all your attention and participation. So thank you, Shivan.
Thank you, Shiny, for your insightful presentation on creating ATS-friendly resumes. Today, we've explored essential strategies to help you tailor your resume effectively for AT screening and human review alike. Remember, highlighting relevant skills using targeted keywords can significantly enhance your chances to landing your dream job. If you have any further questions or if you need any personalized assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at Zytop Solutions. We are dedicated to supporting you in navigating the hiring processes, whether you're seeking talent or exploring new career opportunities. Thank you all for joining us today, and we wish you all the best in your job search. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.